with a voice full of clarity.
Most rebrands don't fail because the colors were wrong. They fail because the strategy part was actually missing. Today's Brand Spark breaks down why so many rebrands fall flat on their face and how to build something that actually sticks. Start here, not in Figma. Good morning. This is your morning cup of Brand Spark. I'm Gina Dunn, founder of OG Solutions and your friendly rebrand necromancer. Today is Tuesday, July 1st. Let's start here. If your rebrand didn't change your results, it wasn't a real rebrand. Let's spark it up. 1. A new logo isn't a new brand. You can change the fonts. You can redesign your website. You can hire a graphic designer and get all kinds of vibes. But the message, that stays vague. If the offer is still unclear, if you, as a founder, still hesitate when someone asks what you do, that wasn't a rebrand at all. That was a visual makeover. Design without strategy is cosmetic surgery with no medical history. What real rebrands actually do. Now let's get real here. A real rebrand will shift how people feel about you when they encounter your brand. Because it starts by shifting how you, as the founder, actually show up for your brand. It gives you a clear point of view, something worth saying. It gives you strong messaging, something worth remembering. It gives you aligned visuals that all make sense. And it gives you a brave voice and confidence in what you're saying. The thing is, a real rebrand, rooted in strategy, it's not a new wrapper. It gives you a new spine and a wrapper. If it didn't hurt a little, you didn't go deep enough in your rebrand. You cannot skip this messy middle. The reason that many founders skip strategy, it's because it's messy. It's unsexy. It's uncertain. We're doing the strategy work in a Miro board with hours of workshops, with layer upon layer building on top of them. But skipping it means you end up with a beautiful shell and no soul within it. It gives you no clear message. You're going to get no clear traction, and you're not going to get conversion. A pretty brand with no pulse is just aesthetic. A powerful brand is soulfully aligned everywhere. So here's your spark check for today. Have you ever rebranded but kept the same messaging? Spark 2. Did it change how you felt when you hit the publish button? And Spark 3, what parts of your brand are still wearing someone else's clothes because of it? Strategy before polish, guys, every time. Clarity before color. Start your real rebrand. You don't need a prettier brand. You need a braver one that connects with your soul. And that's your brand spark for today. I'll catch you tomorrow.
You got the fonts, got the colors, got the vibe looking sweet, but no one's clicking your link, no butts and seats. You're tweaking that logo like it's gonna save grace, but your message ain't sticking and you're losing your space. Your brand ain't broken, you just need strategy. Stop the scroll, drop the fluff, own your energy. Your brand ain't broken, nah, it ain't vanity. It's time to speak loud with a voice full of clarity.